Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute, recording a very small video because we discuss it every day, but let's make it very precise. Option having may, might, can, could. Option has the highest chances of being an answer, whereas must, have to, less chances of being an answer. 90% no. Means you will put this option into elimination. Any option having have to or must should be eliminated. Can, could, may, might can be our answer. In the same way, adverbs, ly words, only, exclusively, marginally, substantially, markedly, these kind of words should be eliminated. Even the words like always, forever, because they are strict words like must, have to, all, always, forever, they put pressure on the option. So they mostly go under elimination 90%. Subscribe to the channel for tips like this. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute. Thank you.